Hey guys, so today I am going to be showing you a really easy hair tutorial. This is if you have really long hair like me and you like to have it curled, but you don't want to take all the time in the world to curl it. So this is something you can do really easy. It takes me about 15 minutes to do when I'm just like, needing to get it done. So if you would like to see how I do this, please keep watching. So first you're going to take all your hair, and you don't have to make it into a perfect ponytail, but you want to pull all your hair up and you want it to be right about the crown of your head. And you don't need to do it but 2 times. You want it right about here. And then you want to take any heat protectant. This is the Beverly Hills Thermotect. This is the one that I use in the salon. It is a great styling protectant. It adds shine and everything like that. But you can use any one that you have at your house. So you're going to spray your ponytail. Kind of run your fingers through it. Okay. Make sure you have a clip. This is a crocodile clip. Any clip will do, just so you can pin it on top of your head as you go. So to curl my hair, I'm going to use the Mitchel. This is the Pro Tool. This is the Ionic wand. This was like a fun one they came out with. That's like the purple and everything. And this is a 1-inch barrel straight across. So yeah, let's get started. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a section of your ponytail, just like this. Just like that. And then you're going to take your iron and take that one section, and you're going to start to curl it. I don't tend to hold mine on there for very long, just because I like to have like loose curls. So then you're going to take any kind of light finishing spray. This is going to help you give the curls hold, but you're still going to be able to work the curls. You're not going to have that crunchy kind of curl effect. So this is by Beverly Hills. It has really good flexibility and a little shine in it, because you can never get enough shine. So then you're just going to spray this down and take that clip and clip it onto your head. My iron is is set at 300. I try not to do it too hot, just to keep my hair as healthy as possible. When I'm doing these sections, I'm just taking my finger and kind of sliding it through and getting a section that way. And some of them I do bigger and some of them I do smaller. And sometimes people wonder, they're like, well, how do you know where the hair is going to fall on the head? And usually the hair on top of your ponytail is the hair around your crown and your forehead and everything like that. And then, the farther down you go, farther down your head you get. is you take all of your hair down, and you have a nice big bouncy ponytail. You just give it a little spray. Then pull it out. And I just comb through it. So then you have this really nice loose curls. And you can go through if you need to tweak anything, you can, just depending on how you want your curls to look. So there you go. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of me, just subscribe, hit the bell at the bottom so you know when I post new videos. And I will see you soon. Alright guys, bye!